begin with the marination. Ingredients for marination: 750 grams of chicken, 1 tablespoon chili powder, 1 tablespoon of corn flour, salt for taste, 1 teaspoon of soya sauce, and 1 teaspoon of tomato ketchup. After adding tomato ketchup, add 1 egg white, 1 teaspoon of oil, and 1 teaspoon of pepper powder. Then mix it well. And then let's keep the marination in the refrigerator for 1 hour. Now take a fry pan and add oil. Then let's fry the chicken. Don't forget to fry the chicken in low heat. Now our chicken fry is ready. We'll keep it aside. Now let's take a pan and add oil to it. When the oil is heated, let's add 1 tablespoon of chopped ginger and 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic. When they turn brown, add 4 chopped onion and 1½ medium capsicum to it. Then saute it well. Now let's add salt for taste. Then saute it well. Now let's add 3 to 4 green chilies and 1 tomato. Then saute it well. Now take a small bowl and add 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, 2 tablespoons chili sauce, 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of corn flour, and mix it well. Add 1 tablespoon of chili powder, ½ tablespoon of Kashmiri chili powder, and 2 teaspoons of pepper powder. Then mix it well. Add the fried chicken to the pan and mix it well. Now add ½ teaspoon of sugar to it. Now add 2 tablespoons of spring onion to it. Mix it well and cook for 5 minutes. Now our tasty and delicious chili chicken is ready. Now let's move on to the recipe for fried rice. Take a pan and heat it. Then add ½ cup of oil into it and let it heat. When the oil is heated, let's add 1 cup of carrot into it, ½ cup of beans, ¼ cup of onion into it, ½ cup of capsicum, ¼ cup of green peas, ¼ cup of corn, ¼ cup of cabbage, and now let's saute it well. It is half cooked, let's remove and keep it aside. Now take 3 eggs and fry it. Then add salt for taste and half teaspoon of pepper powder and mix it well. Let's remove it and keep with the vegetable mixture. Now let's add 1 tablespoon of soya sauce to it. Then mix it well. Now our vegetable mixture is ready. Now take a pan and heat it. Then add half cup of oil into it. Now let's add rice into it and saute it well. Now let's add salt for taste to it. Then add water into it and cook it well. Now our rice is ready. Now let's add our vegetable mixture into it and mix it well. Let's add a little bit of pepper powder to it. Now our fried rice is ready to be served with the chili chicken.
Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon near the subscribe button to get more information and updates on our new videos, and let us know your feedback in the comment box. Thanks for watching.